the 10R80s, we get this code P07 Frank 7, and we finally think we got it taken care of because we know it's the drum on this thing. This happened to a shop, and they ended up replacing the drum, thinking that that was going to fix it. They still end up having the code P07 Frank 7 incorrect gear ratio in 10th gear. Now what they also did was they ended up getting 2 OEM valve bodies that didn't fix it. They also went ahead and they had another transmission, and they took all the internal parts from that transmission and put it into this case, and they were still having a problem. Now, this thing got real expensive at this point because they also went ahead and had the computer reprogrammed for any of the latest and greatest. What they ended up noticing is when they were using the scanner and they were checking all type of PIDs to see what was going on with this thing, they ended up noticing that the APP, which is the accelerator pedal position sensor, was only reading at 38%, where the throttle position sensor was reading 74%. Okay, now we have that on page 80 in our seminar books. What they did was they decided, okay, we know how to check the TPS. Let's check the TPS and see what the TPS is doing. They checked the TPS. The sweep was fine on there. There was no blips, no variances on how it was working, so they went after the APP sensor, okay? And they decided to just change the APP sensor, okay? The APP sensor is located on the gas pedal, and it varies the accelerator pedal position sensor. They went ahead, changed the accelerator pedal position sensor, and the trans was now fine. It goes to show you that just because we had a transmission code for a transmission code, something on the outside of the transmission was causing the issue. So we're getting to those days now to where that we're going to have a transmission issue and something else could be causing it. And the worst part about this one is that we had a code for an internal slip on the thing, and it never ended up being an internal slip. It all ended up being the accelerator position pedal sensor on this thing. So, as I say, something else caused it. It's kind of hard to determine what we need to do at some point. You know, once we covered all our bases, we have to start looking on the outside of things.
Thank you for watching. For all confirmed fix videos and unlimited technical support, become an ATSG member, your transmission tech solution. Click the membership link below.